Every wildlife photographer makes these mistakes, including me. The difference is, some of them can be fixed and some of them can't. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Soham Solanki, an 11-year-old wildlife photographer from Mandvi, Kutch. So let's begin the video without any further ado. A good photo tells your eyes exactly where to go. A bad one leaves you searching. Here is an example of a photo with bad composition. As you can see, the feathers above have been clipped. Let's try fixing it in post. I'm gonna head over straight to cropping. But as you can see, I can crop it in but can't get the clipped feathers back. I can place it in the rule of thirds or in the center, but I can't get them back. I've edited the photo, but you can't always get the composition right in post-processing. Here is another example of bad composition. It is a nice image, but I have clipped some of the tail and I can't get it back. Here is another thing to keep in mind when you're clicking a photo. Don't place your subject like this. Place it in the center or using the rule of thirds. Composition isn't something you fix later. It's something you decide in the moment. Angle completely changes how your subject feels. From below, it looks small and disconnected, but at eye level, it feels personal. And the perspective you get, you can't change it later. Getting eye level with your subject is one of the most important things in wildlife photography, whether it be crouching or laying down on grass. It might hurt your elbows, but the results you get are totally worth it. Wildlife photography isn't just about photos, it's about patience. The mistake that people do is that they walk straight towards the bird. You're never gonna get good photos like that. You should approach slowly, take a few steps, then sit down and do that again. But remember, one wrong move and the moment is gone. You can't recreate natural behavior in editing. In wildlife photography, the eyes are everything. That's where the emotion is. That's where the connection happens. Even if everything else is perfect, lighting, composition, colors, if the eyes aren't sharp, the image just feels off. Here is an image that has no focus on the eyes. Let's try fixing it in post-processing. Let's head over to sharpening. I've already done the masking. Let's increase the sharpness slider to 100. Let's zoom in to see if there is any difference. The sharpness is exactly the same. It just made the image noisier. Let's head over to masking, create a subject mask, increase texture and clarity. Still no difference. This is something a lot of beginners misunderstand. They think editing can focus, but focus isn't an editing problem, it's a capture problem. Light is everything in photography. Here I have an image of a dragonfly in poor lighting conditions. Let's try to enhance the lighting in Lightroom. I will increase exposure and contrast. Now I will go to masking and create a subject mask. Then I will increase the exposure, contrast and shadows. Let's also increase the blacks a little. I don't think that helped in any way. Soft light adds depth, detail and makes everything feel natural. Editing can enhance good light, but it can't create it from nothing. Editing is where you refine your image, not where you fix fundamental mistakes. A little color, a bit of contrast, and guiding attention. These things enhance what's already there, but they can't replace good technique in the field. Get it right in the field, and your editing becomes effortless. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and the next time you're in the field, don't forget these.